Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change ear tips for your earbuds TCL. And you have to start by remove the old ear tips. So it's pretty easy, don't worry about it. And from the right one. Now select new ear tip size, and I'm going with this one, and then we should attach them. The left one and the right one. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.